Hello YouTubers, welcome back if you've been to the channel before, which takes me back to my last video. I said something like check back in a week's time and I'll show you how we're getting on. Well, 3 months have passed by and I got kind of pretty caught up in the project. I think it's pretty easy to see why. Starting off with a completely bare container, now fully insulated, all panelled out, with cutting in windows, doors. It all takes time. So yeah, I left off last time unboxing my electric stuff, solar power kit, and well, it wasn't as simple as just putting it in the corner because I needed to know where everything went, and I'm a bit rubbish when it comes to planning out on paper. I had a pretty good idea, or had a vision of how I wanted it to be, but it was proper loose. So it was time to start putting things in different corners, working out the length of the worktops, where things were going to land, where the electrics were going to run, and what electrics I needed. You know, it's like half a house in a shipping container. So you've got power, water, obviously access, light, and lighting. Quite a bit to get your head around. So yeah, it's been a little while. So hopefully any second now we'll get into the details that I can show you for now anyway on the solar power stuff. Anyway, that's just here we go. Yeah, so it's a 3 kilowatt all-in-one charge controller inverter. I've got 1,000 watts of solar panels. Currently I've only got 350 watts pointing at the sky. The rest are in the workshop whilst I figure out how to mount the brackets. So I'm just showing you there the inverter itself, and then I had a quick look at the Victron Smart Shunt, which when coupled with the app, that gives you very detailed, how do you put it, detailed real-time monitoring. Right, here we are outside. There's the 2 panels, and in this little green box here we got the diesel heater. I've previously used wood burners, and I bought a couple of these diesel heaters and I absolutely love them. Running on red diesel is 2/3 the price of diesel, like road diesel. That's the inlet. That's the only bit you see for the heater, and man, it heats this space up a treat. Obviously that's linked in with the electrics, a nice little control panel there with a remote. Yeah, the diesel heater, it does suck a bit of power on startup because you've got the glow plug to get the diesel to ignite, but then on tick over it's using something like 15 watts. Man, when it comes into the evening and the lights are low, and it's just so snug and warm, and once the cabin's up to temperature, like the diesel heater on tick over is extremely quiet. If you've got anything going on at all, you don't hear it. Especially that little tick, 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 tick of the pump. because I've got it mounted in that green box outside, I cannot hear any of it inside. So I'm going to do a more detailed video on how I put the thing together, how I insulated it, 50mm Celotex on every surface. So check back. I'm not going to say when, because you never know what I get caught up in. But thanks for watching.